Hello friends, welcome to Arshid Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see the latest updates regarding to Ramco Systems. So, Ramco Systems product, which is Aviation MEMR suit, goes live at Nigeria-based Caverton helicopters. So friends, I already mentioned about Ramco Systems to accumulate at 570 levels. So now today it went up to 620 yesterday. And friends, this is 4 days back news and I didn't cover it, but not at all late, and that's why I am doing today. And the latest update also we are having, and this suit gives a good revenue generation for Ramco Systems, and they mentioned it gone live. That means already it's generating revenue. In this quarter itself, it came up with 4 deals, friends. So I am expecting the revenue will be very good. After consolidation, the share value is very attractive to buy. So Nigerian aerospace company serves Nigeria and West Africa offshore oil and gas industry and other business sectors. With its aviation M&E MRO suite 5.8, thereby integration and digital transformations happened with Caverton helicopters. So friends, I am expecting the share will give good revenue going forward. See here, 4 days back, when it is trading at 570, 560 is up 27 rupees and closed at 605. And friends, I am going to give another update same in this video. And here's, if you see everything about this company and its MRO sales and employee master and basic finance, Ramco aviation suite, this provides so much of a package of aviation works and maintenance works also. So friends, this is our view, and we are going to see next deal which got yesterday. And friends, yesterday we got an update from Ramco Systems. This March 16th, Ramco Systems collaborates with Saudi Arabia based Longi Point to implement its logistics software. So friends, see here, Ramco logistics software will offer a single integrated system that is capable of providing end-to-end visibility and control of operations. Friends, we are focusing on the share around 150 rupees, friends. I have trust in this share, but entering at high values is a retail investor's problem. Why? Because so many people entered at 730 700 range, and they are waiting for its move. Friends, after profit booking, so many people left at high values. So it will take some time, and who entered at low values, they will not bother about it. But who entered at 700 600, they will 700 above, they will see some problems in this share. Why? Because so many days, like 2 months, it is averagely moving at around 600, 620, 610 and 570, 80 in that areas. But friends, I am expecting the time came for Ramco Systems. Why? Because this is March end, and next April the results will be there, and in this quarter itself it got 4 deals. So here we are going to see that logistics software at Saudi Arabia, and they mentioned they have a logistics service provider, and it's a brainchild of industry leaders SISCO and XCNEL group. So friends, they are saying that it is very biggest company, but it's a child company for these two groups. So Longi Point to automate company wide operations and services. So we are expecting that this also gives a huge revenue, friends. Who didn't know about this company? It has a toll logistics deal and logistics in Malaysia, I think, friends. So going forward, we are expecting a huge revenue generation, and it will come up to 750 again. So friends, this is the good opportunity to accumulate and add the stock, friends. Who are want to fresh entries, I am expecting this level is very good. 10-20 rupees is not much deal, friends. Hold it, and you can see good revenue going forward. So friends, this is my view on Ramco Systems. If you like our videos, please subscribe my channel, share my channel.